Bradley Neil Harris, file number 23-52988 GA.
Thank you. We are on file for Mr. Harris regarding a request for appointment of guardianship. May I have the names of our attorneys, please?
Michael McFarland, attorney guardian ad litem, and I have already presented to the court the GAO report and acceptance of parents. Your Honor.
I appreciate that. Ms. Harris, could you introduce yourself one more time, please, now that we're on record?
Donna Harris.
And you have with you there Mr. Bradley Harris, is that right?
Yes.
And we're also joined by Ms. Muir. Welcome and thank you for coming. All right, Mr. McFarland, I see you have filed your guardian ad litem report, which I appreciate. Would you wish to give us a report on the record?
Well, Your Honor, I had a very pleasant conversation with Bradley. He was able to understand that a guardian was somebody who makes decisions for him, Your Honor. And with that, he had no objection to the proposed. I questioned the proposed guardian, and there was nothing financially, nothing criminally, nothing with adult protective services or child protective services that would lead me to any concern that that would be inappropriate. So my recommendation was indeed to approve this. He was advised of his rights and didn't think he wanted to have an attorney. Yeah. Understood what an attorney did, at least the concept.
All right, Deputy Answer, would you swear in Ms. Harris, please?
Ms. Harris, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ms. Harris, please tell me in your own words what you're asking the court to do for you and why.
To get guardianship of my husband. He has had strokes. He has dementia. He's incapable of making decisions for himself.
Any questions for this witness, Mr. McFarland?
Right, ma'am, you heard me tell the court that you have no criminal history, no history with adult protective services, child protective services. You have no bankruptcy, no credit issues. Would you agree with that?
Correct.
Okay, and you're asking to be guardian. You're not asking for a standby guardian, correct?
Correct.
I think Ms. Muir may actually have been on the case before, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
That's big. That's useful. Ms. Muir, were you anticipating joining us on Harris or on Patton?
Patton.
Okay, yes, we've concluded that one for the day. We'll be taking it up again tomorrow morning at 11. So if you wish to rejoin us tomorrow at 11, I'll be sure to look for you.
I will. Yes, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sorry about that.
No problem. Bye-bye.
Okay.
I have no further questions of the petitioner, Your Honor.
Anyone else you'd like to hear from?
No, thank you.
Very well. Anything else you'd like to say, Ms. Harris?
No, thank you.
Well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of the hearing today on the request for the appointment of guardian for Mr. Harris. I have, in support of the petition as well as the guardian ad litem report, a report of physician or mental health professional. Dr. Gupta took the time to meet with Mr. Bradley Harris on 11/6/2023 and is an internal medicine physician. He found diagnoses including vascular dementia moderate without behavioral disturbance, psychotic disturbance, mood disturbance, and anxiety and sporadic memory. He indicates further that he cannot make decisions at this time due to the sporadic memory. There is an attached list of medications that are quite significant and intended to reduce the symptoms associated with the diagnoses. Nevertheless, at the time of execution of this report, which is November 9th, 2023, Dr. Gupta indicates that Mr. Harris is currently not presently able to make informed decisions in the following areas: determining where to live, consenting to supportive services, handling personal financial affairs, and authorizing or refusing medical treatment. The court finds that that does present clear and convincing evidence that Mr. Harris is an individual who's incapacitated as the law describes it, and that he is in need of a guardian in all aspects of activities of daily living to help accomplish those, as well as to ensure safety and security around financial decisions, medical care decisions, and certainly that his wife, Ms. Harris, is well suited to perform those duties on his behalf and take on those responsibilities as she has been up to this point. So I will sign the order as well as the letters of guardianship. She has turned in already an acceptance of guardianship, indicating she understands her responsibilities. So I have granted the petition. Unless there's any questions, that's all for today.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.